We are now on Theorem 5, the product rule. Now, given h of x is equal to the product of f of x and g of x, then its derivative is simply equivalent to f of x times the derivative of g of x plus g of x times the derivative of f of x. Okay. Or we can use this as simpler so that we can still remember this way, no, or this technique, no matter what, no, in finding the derivative of the product. Okay, so you have here, by letting u be equal to f of x, then we can obtain the derivative of u written as du is equal to f prime of x. Okay, then by letting v be equal to g of x, then the derivative of v is written as dv be equivalent to g prime of x. So instead of writing this one, dali ra ka inyong mauna-unaan. This can be written as equal to u dv plus v du. Maura ni siya. If you'll be asked to find the derivative of the product rule, just think of this, u dv plus v du. Okay? So let's apply that to our example number 1. Okay. So you have here, if f of x is equal to 3x minus 2 and g of x be equal to x squared plus 5. Okay. Find the product. Okay. Okay. Now, let's change that one. Okay. Instead, you can have here, suppose we have f of x is equal to 3x minus 2 times x squared plus 5. That's it. Okay. Okay, find its derivative. Since this is a product, you can obtain its derivative. Okay, first is, we will use this technique para dalira. We let u be equal to 3x minus 2. Okay, so we have the derivative of u. What's the derivative of 3x minus 2? What's the derivative of 3x? Only 3. Because the derivative of negative 2 is 0. Okay, so we let b equal to x squared plus 5. So what's the derivative of x squared plus 5? That is 2x. Because the derivative of 5 is 0. So now we can apply u dv plus v du. Okay, by simply substituting the values of u, dv, v, and du. Okay, so you have, what is your u? 3x minus 2. What is the value of your dv? You have 2x. Plus, what is the value of your v? That is x squared plus 5. What, du, what's the value of du? You have 3 times 3. Okay? So this is u dv plus v du. Now, do the distribution. You can multiply this. This is 3x times 2x. You have 6x squared. 3x, negative 2 times 2x. You have negative 4x. Here, distribute. X squared times 3, you have plus 3x squared. 5 times 3, you have plus 15. Then combine if they have similar terms. Now, we have the same here. We can have 6x squared and 3x squared. So you just simply add 6 plus 3, you have 9, copy x squared, minus 4x plus 15. That's it. Okay? So simple as that. That's the example of the product rule. Dali ra jud kay siya, class, no? Kung makadumdum lang jud ta permanente. Okay. Another example to that. Okay? Para mas siya dagan example, number 2. Here I have f of x is equal to 2x squared plus 5 times 4x minus 1. Okay? So again, you let solution. Let u be equal to 2x squared plus 5. What is the derivative of 2x squared plus 5? You have 4x. Here, your v is 4x minus 1. What's the derivative of 4x minus 1? You only have 4. Okay, dili kayo maklaro? Okay. Now, simply substitute these values to this formula. u dv plus v du. Okay, so you have here, your u is 2x squared plus 5. Your dv is times 4 plus, what is the value of your v? 4x minus 1. Then, the value of your du is 4x. Okay. Sorry, di maklaro. Kaya itong i-adjust. Okay, that's it. Okay, there you go. Then, apply the distribution laws, no? In solving a product. Now, you have here 2x squared times 4. You have 8x squared. 2x squared, 5 times 4 plus 20. Here, 4x times 4x. Why is 4x? Okay, that's correct. You have plus 16x squared. Negative 1 times 4x, you have negative 4x. So, natay makombine, kaya pareha sila x squared. So, you simply add the constant. 8 plus 16, you have 24. You copy the variable x squared. Then, arrange. You just copy negative 4x, then plus 20. That's it. Okay? Simple na kayo ang product rule. Only, maka-come up mo aning idea para di mo mawala. Dapat ma-input ninyo sa inyong nauna in finding the product rule, no? Of differentiation. u dv plus v du. Okay, that's it.